Dear children, today we are going to discuss about pronouns, which is the 10th chapter of a grammar textbook. So please open your textbooks to page number 25. We are going to discuss about pronouns. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. So, I think we should discuss about nouns. I hope you know what a noun is. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word, or in other words, you can say that noun is a name of a person, name of a place, name of an animal, or name of a thing. So, all the naming words comes under nouns. So, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. So, a pronoun is a word used in the place of the naming words or the nouns. Now, let's look at the example. John likes to read books. John likes to read comic books. John likes to read books. John likes to read comic books. So, in this sentence, we have the person John, and the noun John is repeating again and again. In the first sentence, we have John. In the second sentence, also we have John. So, instead of repeating the noun again and again, we can use a pronoun in the place of that noun. So, look at the rewritten sentence. John likes to read books. He likes to read comic books. John likes to read books. He likes to read comic books. So, we have used the pronoun he in the place of the noun John. We have used the pronoun he in the place of the noun John. So, he is the pronoun in this sentence. I hope you understood. Now, we are going to discuss about the types of pronouns, and mainly we are going to discuss about two types, and the first one is personal pronoun and the second one is possessive pronoun. Let's look at personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the nouns which are used in place of nouns that name persons. Okay, personal pronouns are the nouns which are used in the place of the nouns, and those nouns will be persons. Okay, those nouns will be persons. So look at the examples. She is doing my homework. So she is a person, and my is also a person. That means I. Yes or no? Next one. We are going to meet him. We, that is, can be more than one persons. Meet him. Him is a person. So personal pronouns are the pronouns which are used in the place of nouns, and those nouns will be persons. So mainly pronouns can be singular or plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. So let's look at singular personal pronouns. Singular personal pronouns are I, you, he, she, him, her, it, my, and so on. So all these we use for persons, and those persons will be singular. Okay, now let's look at the plural personal pronouns. Plural personal pronouns are we, you, us, they, them, these, those, and so on. So here we find that it's plural, it's more than one. So we use these personal pronouns if we find more than one, and it should be persons. Okay, it should be persons, then only we can use personal pronouns. So look here, personal pronouns are the pronouns which are used in place of nouns that name persons. Only for persons we use this personal pronouns, and it can be singular or plural. Now let's look at the next one. Yeah, there is one thing you have to keep in mind about personal pronouns. The personal pronoun, it cannot be used in place of nouns that name persons. For persons, we cannot use it. We use it in place of noun that names an animal or a thing. So it is used in the place of a noun that names an animal or a thing. So for animals and for things, we use the pronoun it, and it should be singular also. Okay, look at the example. This is a book. It is mine. So it stands for book. Okay, so it we use only for an animal or a thing. This is the thing, and it is a personal pronoun. Okay, it is a personal pronoun, but we use it only for an animal or a thing. This is the thing. This is a point you have to keep in your mind always. Now let's look at the second type. The first one was personal pronouns, and the second one is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns, we have discussed it many times, but still we'll just look at it. Possessive pronouns are the pronouns that show that a thing belongs to something or someone. Possessive pronouns are used to show if something belongs to someone. So those words are possessive pronouns, that because they show possession. It shows that it shows about the ownership. Okay, that something is belonging to someone. Look at the examples. This bag is mine. So we have a thing, bag, and so in order to show that possession or in order to show that possession or ownership, we have used the pronoun mine. Look at the next example. That house is ours. So that house belongs to someone, and whose? It's ours. So ours is a possessive pronoun. And here also we have singular and plural possessive pronouns. Look at the singular possessive pronouns. They are mine, yours, its, hers, his. So singular possessive pronouns are used when something belongs to someone and that person should be singular. Okay. Okay. That means if something belongs to someone, that someone should be singular. It is mine. So mine shows that there is only one person. Yes or no? So mine is a singular pronoun, and mine is also used in order to show that that thing belongs to me. Okay. So singular possessive pronouns are used to show the possession. That means if something belongs to that person. And the second one, the pronoun should be that should be one person. It should be singular person. Then only we can use singular possessive pronouns. And look at the next one, plural possessive pronouns. Plural means more than one. So it can be a group of people, and it can be more than two persons, and so on. And that's the first thing. And the second thing is if something belongs to someone, some persons, we use the possessive pronouns. And plural possessive pronouns are ours, yours, theirs. So these three words shows that there are more than two persons. Okay, that is, they are more than one, and they also show the possession or the ownership. This is what possessive pronouns are. And there is one thing to keep in mind. We denote possessive nouns with an apostrophe s, but we do not denote possessive pronouns with apostrophe s. The thing is simple. Both possessive nouns and possessive pronouns show if something belongs to someone. Okay, both possessive nouns and possessive pronouns show the possession, the ownership, but the difference is that in possessive nouns we add apostrophe s to that person's name, okay, to whom the thing belongs. We add apostrophe to the person's name to whom the thing belongs. But in possessive pronouns, we do not use apostrophe s at all. That is the main thing. And here we are going to look at one example, and that is its, its. When we write it apostrophe as, it means it is. Okay, it is the short, it's is a short form of it is. Okay, so we are going to look two sentences in which it's is used. Okay, look at the first sentence, it's my pen. Actually, it's in this sentence is a short form. Actually, the sentence should be it is my pen. Okay, it is my pen, but we have used a short form. But let's look at the next sentence. The dress is beautiful, its color is red. The dress is beautiful, its color is red. Here, its is a possessive pronoun, and it here it stands for two things. The first thing is it shows a possession, okay, and the second thing is uh, it also stands as a pronoun. That means uh, actually it should be the dress color is red, but instead of using the dress again, we have used the pronoun its. So it's in this sentence is a possessive pronoun. It shows the possession and also it stands as a pronoun. That means in the place of the noun. So this is what we have to learn in this section. I'll say it once again. Possessive nouns and possessive pronouns both show the possession or the ownership. That means if something belongs to someone, but in possessive pronouns we use apostrophe s with that person's name to whom the thing belongs. But in possessive pronouns we do not use apostrophe s at all. So this is the thing which we have discussed here, and I hope you understood what pronouns are. And we have two exercises. Please try to do it. It's very easy, and I'll be sending you the notes in the afternoon. So please take care, children, and please watch the video again if you didn't understand. And this is for today, and bye.